Hey y'all, welcome back to, no, I'm just kidding, Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to get this cobalt blue sparkly cut crease liner with the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. Yo, it's cute. She's cute. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye! Jumping right in, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the NYX Studio Concealer in the shade Tan, and I'm going to be blending that out with a Real Techniques sponge. I'm not going to set my eyelids because I want the most pigment out of this colorful look. Going into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to be using this light pink shadow as my transition shade. And throughout the video, you're going to see me use a Morphe E27 brush repeatedly, and it's just a clean blending brush that I'm just using to blend out any harsh lines. Now going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be using Hunts in my crease. Then going back into the 35B palette, I'm going to be using these two dark purple shades in my crease and my outer corner. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using the NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I also just wanted to share that this look was completely inspired by this picture I found on Pinterest. I'm not sure if the girl in this photo used the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, but I just saw it and instantly knew that I could use this palette to recreate this look. And to set the concealer, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder and using a flat shadow brush. Then going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Twerk and applying that where I cut my crease. Now, I did my liner off camera, but for my liner today, I used the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. And for glitter liner, I'm going to be taking the Handaiyan glitter liner in the shade number 3. The easiest way for me to explain the glitter liner to you is just to outline the edge of your crease. And for lashes, which I also applied off camera, I'm going to be using these Mink lashes in the number D110. And for glue, I just used a Duo brush on glue. For concealer today, I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. My face base application is still the same, so I didn't show that on camera, but for primer, I did use the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And then for foundation, I used the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation and the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. To set the high points of my face, I'm going back in with that Makeup Revolution setting powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going back in with the same powder, just in the shade Terracotta. To warm up my face a bit, I'm going to be taking the Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the shade Milk Chocolate with a fluffy bronzing brush. Now for the lower lash line. I'm going to be taking the same shades I used in my crease earlier and applying that to the bottom lash line and smoking it out. For my waterline, I did apply a plain black eyeliner. And for mascara today, I used the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara. Now for my favorite part, highlighter. For my inner corners today, I used the Laura Geller highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. And for my face highlight, I use the Technic Get Gorgeous 24 karat gold highlighter. You guys, this highlighter is the bomb. To set my face, I'm just taking MAC Fix Plus, but then to double set my face, I'm taking the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Action. Back to my YouTube channel. I can't speak English. Wow. Bye. See you later.